Before we discuss the global variable, I'm going to discuss the function. The function has a block of codes. Block of codes mean like this. In the function, you can do mathematical things or use it to display variables values. If you need to create a function, you should use the def keyword in Python. Def. And give the name for your function. I give it as display, and don't forget to include the parentheses. And you should put the color. This is the function. And I created a variable as x. Hello. Inside your function, I print it like this. Do you think now you can see your value after running this? You can't say anything because we haven't called it. Now I'm going to call my function. How can we do this? If you want to call your function, give the function name like this. Display. Run your code. Now you can see your value. Next, move on to the global variable. If we create a variable outside of function, outside of a function, I am going to create a variable as y equal it number. We call this variable as global variable. After creating a global variable, we can use it in the function as well. I'm going to print y 7. Now you can see y's value. If we use the same variable in outside and inside the function, I'm going to create same variable in the function. Print y. Now you can see 56 and 23. In this situation, I called function first. So you can see the function's value first. See function's value. You can use this y equal 56 only in your function. If you stop the calling function, you can see only the global variable. Now you can see only 23. Using the global keyword, we can make the variable global in the function. We should use global keyword, global y. Without calling display function, you can see only 23. But with the display function, you can see 56 because now it is a global variable. Thanks for watching. If you get something, thanks for watching. If you get something in this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you get something in this video, don't forget to subscribe us, like and share.